everybody, my name is Soborno. I'm very bigger science lab, and today we will be talking about not the Cuban Missile Crisis, that's already done, but instead we will go all the way back to 1688. The US was pretty close to existing, but they hadn't existed just yet. Alright, so the thing was, in 1688, England had a coup. What was this coup? Well, it was called the Glorious Revolution, which kind of sounds like something in communism, but I promise it wasn't. So the thing was, this was the deposition of James II, which was an English king born in London, and he died in Normandy. And this was the deposition of the English king, James II, from England. Now, how did this happen? Well, very, very good question. Because initially, the population supported him. Because the population thought that his deposition would lead to a war, like the War of the Three Kingdoms. So, the population didn't like that, and so they said, hey, maybe give this guy a chance. But the thing was, two things made the populace very, very mad. What were they? Well, one, James II gave birth to a child named Mary, who would have took the throne. She was Protestant, but her father was Catholic. James II was Catholic. But then he gave birth to another child, a boy who was valued over girls until 2013. So boys were valued over girls, and this boy was Catholic. So people thought the Catholic dynasty would come on if this boy was submitted to the throne. So that was one reason for deposing him, but there was a second reason. He had persecuted 7 bishops, which are now ceremonially called the 7 bishops, for no reason. So, yeah. And he seemed like a pretty bad guy to the populace. So the populace were like, we gotta replace this crazy old man. And so, what they did was they wrote a letter to somebody who not only aspired to conquer England, but was already pretty powerful already. The King of the Netherlands, William III the Orange, also called William the Orange, which means that I can peel. No, we don't go into those here at Bari Science Lab. And then you also have the Queen, who was his wife, which was Mary II. Now the thing was, William the Orange really wanted to rule England, and so many English politicians, all in one huge coalition, just wrote some letters to him saying, "Hi, rule England, please. Thank you. Bye." So, William III came over and invaded England with, guess who? English support. So, after that, they reached London. Then James II was deposed. William the Orange became king, along with his wife Mary II, who also took the throne. But after that, it returned to normal English kings, and James II was banished to France, never to be seen again. Alright, thank you everybody for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Subscribe to Bari Science Lab to fall in love with math and science, especially programming.